delegates attending an African regional workshop on applications of Juncao technology in the Rwandan capital city Kigali has recommended the adoption of the technology to promote sustainable agriculture production in Africa. A UN official said at the workshop on Tuesday that Juncao technology is a priority project under the China United Nations Peace and Development Trust Fund, as it contributes to several sustainable development goals, including eradication of poverty, reduction of hunger, use of renewable energy, promotion of women's empowerment, job creation, and response to ongoing climate change.
It improves our lives in a way that is highly considerable. So this technology brings mushrooms that are edible in our families and are going to help us to alleviate poverty first, because we have seen several SMEs that are now involved in cultivation, and this brings in the income generation for poor families that can now afford to pay school fees, to pay medical care, to take care of other expenses of the households. So I hope that in the near future, let's say not more than 10 years, this technology, we expect it to be widely in use in Africa for the benefit of our populations.
Speaking at the workshop, Chinese ambassador to Rwanda Wang Xuekun said that Juncao technology can be applied to mushroom cultivation, livestock forage, biogas, and soil preservation. Since 2001, the technology has been brought to 106 countries worldwide and helped countless farmers get rid of poverty and achieve prosperity, he said.
So the comment from Rwanda people who are doing this farming, mushroom farming, they are really impressed, and they are really interested to do it and appreciate the government of Rwanda and the government of China, because they are bilateral cooperation. They really appreciate this cooperation because this technology helps them to improve their livelihood.